Namaste. So good. My name is Jason Johnson. I'm the service manager here at Superior Performance in Wendell, North Carolina. And for the month of February, we are offering Superior Spa Performance Packages. What is that, you might ask? Whether your car is your sweetheart or it's your sweetheart's car, we've got spa services for all your automotive needs, such as a hydration facial. Everybody gets those dark circles. What about your poor car? Don't you want to get all the fluids topped off? Because with the hydration special, we'll top off each and every fluid in your vehicle. It's the perfect Valentine's Day treat for you, your car, or somebody you love's car. So come see us down here in Wendell, North Carolina, and we will give your baby the royal treatment. In the meantime, let's give this puppy some privacy.